Back with a few today. I was kind of struggling with this, thinking, because I got that goal where I'm going to do a video a week. Today's Sunday, so it still falls this week, or less than a week, because those Manitoba Jam, or the BC Jam ones don't count, because they're not a lesson. But it's Sunday, so this one still fits in. I still got it in this week. Well, I was struggling, because I sat down on Tuesday, and I had nothing. And I just started playing around, and it was just one of those lucky weeks where I got 4 lessons to do. One of them's a request. Like, now, do I put them all out at once? Or do I save them to make up my lesson a week thing? I think, well, if I put them all out at once, it pushes me to learn some more for next week. So I'll put them all out this week. What the hell? So, Proud Mary. Actually, I tried this one a long time ago, but you need a C and you need an F. So I kind of just let it go and said, okay, well, it doesn't work. Just for that intro and the turnaround. And then I was playing around and thinking, well, I can make this work. So I made it work. We got an F and a C in here now. How's the angle? You got to see everything. Okay. I'm trying a new pick out. So if I end up throwing it across the room halfway through and picking up my old one, you know why. I don't know if I like it yet. Okay. So the intro. So the C, we can do that rootless C, which is 3-4-3. The thing about this chord, the rootless C, is it has the notes of the C chord in it, but doesn't actually have a C in it. So it doesn't work. I was trying to answer a comment with somebody, and I was talking about it, and we're talking back and forth. The rootless C only really works if the song is in a key of D. If you're in a key of C or a key of G, well, the key of G might work. Not really, right? The voicing only works as if you're in a key of D. I don't know, it's one of those strange things. I don't know. So we're gonna do that. So 3-4-3. Your A is 1 open open, or sorry, 1 open 1. Your G is 3-3-3, and then your F, we're gonna be playing on your 2nd fret, 1 note only, 2nd fret on the low string. You're gonna bend it up to the F because that's an E. So you can, if you want to try it, you can try and bend all those strings, but to try to get a full bend on all of them at the same time, I gave up on it. That's why we're only doing, which kind of gives it a little bit of a Merlin edge. So the intro. So you go to C, A twice. 3rd time, C, or then you go to the G. So let's just do it all together. Basically what I do, 2 bends, open, and a fourth note is a bend. Okay, so a big part of this song is the strumming. Down, up, and palm muting. You gotta do that palm muting. So again, I've explained this in past videos. To do palm muting, just kind of start off and work your palm over the bridge until you get to that spot. If you go too far, not far enough, but you want to find that sweet spot. So, and that's where for this song, you don't really need that sweet spot. You can probably do it because all you're doing is muting the strings. But I still like going there just to give it a little bit of extra. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. So down, down, up, palm mute down, and then up, down, up, palm mute down. And then that, so down, up, down, with a mute, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you just keep doing the first note is down, up, and then up, down, and the up, mute, up, down, mute. Carries on throughout the whole song. You will see it does change a little bit when you do, when I'm doing the melody, but at the same time it's not supposed to, because I'm not that good. That's all it is. Yeah, that melody should stay there the whole time, even when you change your keys. Okay, so the song is a D, open, 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 A, 1, open 1, and B minor, 2, 1, open. That's it. That's the verse and chorus. And that repeats, and then you throw in that turn around every once in a while in there, and that's a song. If you're singing it. If you want some melody notes, I'm kind of just winging it on those. Basically, the only thing I'm doing is a slide up one to the second, first to the second fret. And then the chorus, A, D minor. You can add a little hammer on that second string. And then the chorus, slide up, open. You're not doing an A there, you're just doing that first fret. Just to come back down. That's it. It's more of a straight strumming song with just a few, I don't even call it the melody line, more melody accents. We'll go with that. But it kind of works well in a Merlin. I haven't found anything that doesn't work well in a Merlin. So, that's it. Proud Mary, CCR, Tina Turner. I like the CCR version. That's preference. Alright, practice, patience, have fun, and we'll see you guys all next time.